Haukiba numit khara asida security force ke apunba kangbuna Yamlaba Khutlai kaya Phagatpa Hairi. Ngasi police headquarter da pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Manipur police ke Inspector General of Police Intelligence Ningsen Warngamna Fongdok Rakibada Manipur Police Assam Rifles Army amadi CAPF na haukiba numit kharani asida Churachandpur Fairjol Kangpokpi Chandel amadi Tengnopal district ki Mapham Kayada Chathakhiba joint operation da Yamlaba Khutlai sing Phagatpa Ngamkhi Phagalaba Khutlai sing adudi AK series rifle dipan Insas rifle ani SLR ama telescope yauba sniper ama M4 rifle ama .303 rifles ani carbine mari 12 bore rifle taraga mari 9mm pistol nipan .22 gi rifle ama grenade kapnaba gren LR ama single barrel rifle manga single barrel ball action rifles ama pistol country made ama latot mari single bore rifle kungamathoi muzzle loaded rifles ahum pompi kuntragamathoi double barrel gun nipan single barrel gun taraga humdoi yauna punna khutlai chamaga yankai mangani amadi pokhaiba yaba potlam IED kuntraga mapan hand grenade taraga humdoi amasung assorted ammunition lisingamaga chatruk ni haidi ningsen warngamna makhataraduna Haujik lamdam asigi oirakliba fibam asi mahusagi punsida hanjinduna santi puraknanabagidamak combined combing operation asi chathabani security force na miyamgi yaifana na balawkhalagliba thabak thawrang khudingmakta miyamna mateng pangbiu haiki
Extensive search operation in the Hill district of Manipur the last few days, acting on specific intelligence regarding the presence of large cache of arms, ammunition, and other warlike materials concealed in various locations. Coordinated operations were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the interior and suspected areas of Churachandpur, Fairjol, Kangpokpi, Chandel, and Technopal district by joint teams comprising of Manipur Police, some Rifles, Army, and CAPF. This continued intelligence-led operation in the Hill district represents a major accomplishment for Manipur Police, Assam Rifle, Army, and other security forces in our continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order, and safeguard the lives and property of citizens.